Hey, what's going on? Barnaby here with Ego, hanging out at Acme Tools in Grand Forks, North Dakota with the Ego string trimmer. Now, the biggest nightmare anybody ever faces with a string trimmer is this moment, and that is loading the line into the head, because once all the line is done, the nightmare for most people begins. But look how easy that was, right? Slide about 15 feet of line straight on through, and then you simply wind the head just like this. Look at that, it is sucking it right in. I mean, this is going to take just a couple of seconds to do, and then you're back ready to go. As far as power goes, that's just cutting the line right there because there was a little excess. But listen to this. Can you feel and hear the power? This has all the power and performance of gas. It is beautifully balanced, right? Because usually you have a big gas tank back here and a big motor up here. I mean, this is just almost floats in your hand. It's got 095 dual line, and it cuts just like gas. Actually, in Grand Rapids, where I'm from, we actually put this into what's called a tool library so people could check tools out when they needed them. And a lot of people would take a gas string trimmer and an Ego string trimmer just to do an A-B comparison. Everybody came back saying this has all the power and performance of gas. It's got a straight shaft, aluminum. It's got 2 speeds, so it's got a low and a high, just like on a drill, right? So if you really want to just kind of feather it a little bit, extend the battery life, you can just put it in low, or you can crank it up to a higher setting. Right, hear the difference? As far as run times go, it's going to be about 45 minutes of continuous trigger time. So that's going to add up to a lot more time, because when you're string trimming, a lot of people are just walking in between targets without the machine running. So it's a great tool, it's an effective tool, and as you just saw, it's an amazingly convenient tool. So where are you going to get it? acmetools.com, where we want you to do your best work.